This is a Conair cord keeping hair dryer with a folding handle and retractable cord. This dryer is designed with travel and everyday convenience in mind, especially if you like to keep things organized. It features a compact foldable handle that makes it easy to store in a drawer, suitcase, or gym bag. I really like the retractable cord feature, which helps reduce clutter and make packing much easier. While drying my hair, it feels lightweight and easy to handle. I spend about 3 or 4 minutes to dry my whole hair.